Hi, today I'm for the MOTOROLA Moto E6i and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. First, open the settings application, then find sound section and tap on it. You'll see here media coloring and alarm volume panels. Just to change the volumes, we should swipe to the left or to the right side these dots on each of the volume panels by this way. Here we got vibration focal switcher. Just to activate or turn off this option, we should click on the switcher. We could also set the don't disturb mode to turn it on or turn it off, to set the shadow, to change the duration. When don't disturb is on, we could no sound from notifications, visual or sound from notifications, or to set the custom settings. Also, we could allow some calls, messages, or notifications from any peoples or apps. We could also activate or turn off the shortcut to prevent ringing, to change phone and ringtone and notification sounds, and in the alarm sounds also. And in other sound settings, we could activate or turn off the dial button, screen lock and lock sounds, charging sounds and vibration, touch sounds, touch vibration, power on and power off sounds with the help of these switchers. So we'll just click on each of the switchers to activate or turn off the options. So that's it, that's all of the sound settings on our Motorola Moto device. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.